And we are live. So seems we had some news here at 8:30. Going to see what that news is. Well, we have inauguration about 12 Eastern Standard Time. 40 points. That's quite a lot on ES. A lot more volatility than I thought would be here. I thought with the inauguration we'd see lower volatility, so I wasn't planning to come in and trade. 170 points, okay. So we're moving towards 800s. But we've got to the 78s. See, there was a short here down towards the 27.5s. 7.5s. Go down to 27.7.
Order submitted.
Let's have a look what this looks like on the gold. So we've run into this area here. Previously had resistance there. Well, the market turned around. Had difficulty, gap down, tested higher, failed. Currently in bearish territory. So, am I buying the lows here? Let's think about this. Probably would suggest you are. Let's think. So it does qualify. $27.5. $30.8. Of course, we get to the 27.5. This trade idea is DOA. So we got 68.25 on ES. Still quite a bit of room to the upside on NQ. Still quite a lot.
Forbidden.
Oh, Pete's sake. So that trade, I'm going to have to cancel these orders.
Cancelled.
Didn't get the retracement back up to the 30.8 to get in, or even up to the 32s. And price has already hit 27.5. So that was a target. So got to cancel that trade. Well, cancel the pending orders that we had in. So the moment we have NQ pulling back, but with NQ, we're looking around about the 94s. Around about the 94s. And let's have a look at the daily chart. So it's around about these highs here. But we saw the sell-off. So certainly appears that there could be room to the upside, but again, we've got a limited market with inauguration coming in. So this market seems like it wants to suggest a lower gold, but would be shorted into the lows, into these lows here, these lows over here. Well, seems we're going to attack these lows. So we've cleared these lows here. Our buyer's going to come back in. Could this market be about to turn? I've got in short 29.4. So buyers could step in here. Seeing quite a bit of volume there on this candle. looking for, what's that, 21? Might as well. No, it's not breaking down. Just took it off there. Did say the buyers could step in. Seems they are. There's no point waiting for. I'm not gonna wait for stop out. Then again, are we supposed to even be closing trades early? Probably shouldn't be closing trades early. Yeah, I shouldn't be closing trades early. If I get stopped out, then so be it. I shouldn't be closing these trades early, because if I was to close it early, it's a turnaround and go on to hit target, I'll be frustrated. So let's see if I can get back in where I got out. Target is down at 21. That's quite a big target. Okay, we said 29.4. 29.4. Yeah, if I get stopped out, then it's just one of those things. Did mention the risk of prices coming up. So just had something to deal with away from the old charts. So the conditions aren't nearly where we need them to be. The VIX. Oh, VIX isn't trading today. Is that right? No VIX today. What's the problem? Well, that is a problem. No VIX. Kind of feel like I'm trading blind without VIX. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. What does that mean? So we have no VIX. Let's think about this. Are we going to just trade inside the range? Well, may just do that. So there are these gaps below, but on the daily chart here on gold, down to 18. Maybe not. Maybe not. This move higher failed. This isn't looking good, is it? No, we said we're going to leave it to stop, so. Really need to clear these lows here. Don't think it's going to happen now. Down at 26.5s. But I'm in the trade now, so I'm just going to leave it alone. If I get stopped out, then so be it. If the, yeah. Just seeing buyers here. Let's move down. Couldn't follow through. All we see is buyers. Is that right? Hold on. Yeah, 29.4 is correct. Yeah, just going for the stop. Here we go. Think about that. So, broke these lows. And buyers came back immediately. I've also got these lows over here as well. So should have been looking for a counter. It's all hindsight now. It's all hindsight. Should I have been looking for a counter? Using these lows and these lows and look for a bullish move instead. Considering the fact that we don't have a VIX. And thinking this move is overdone to the downside. Well, time will tell. Thought it was a sure thing I'll be stopped out by now. Not sure what gold's waiting for here. So current ranges on the markets 252.25 on NQ, 60.25 on ES, 32 on gold. Here we go. Yeah. This hammer candle was a bit of a tell. Pulled back hammer. What's going on here? Definitely looks like it wants to go higher. Anyway. And there's no VIX, so. This is just denying the inevitable. It's going to come up and clear off this. Let's stop here. So all this is just building a bit of a base. If it was going to break down, continue, shouldn't be so comfortable at these higher prices. It's been hanging around in here for a bit longer than I would need for a short. Seems the morning gains are. There we go. One tick away. Oh, I've got a new candle. Definitely this new candle should take us out. Yeah, it should take us out. So, actually just keep it on there while we get taken out. There we go. So we've lost 11 on the gold trade. Okay, that's interesting. Guess I learned nothing from Friday. Hmm. Still biased to the short side here on gold, despite the stop out. What are we like? An hour and 40 minutes to the start of the inauguration. Seeing NQ pull in a bit here. Really 6 points. Pretty sizable pull in. ES qualifies for shorts. Seems NQ is about to qualify. Okay, so ES now qualifies for shorts. So I'll have to wait for a pullback and a turnaround. Likewise, NQ. Mm-hmm. 74. Seems like it wants to go down to 74.
Bell.
71, 75. Oh, hold on. 71, 75. 71, 75. So that's purely based on these highs over here. This area where we consolidate before going higher. So 720.25. It's not a true setup. 720.25. Put it there. What is it, 680? Oh, hold on a second here. Wasn't the 680 the previous day's hot? Hold on a second here. Six eighties of some significance, I know that. Sticks out in my mind.
Order filled.
Add it to the position. 71.75. $20. I'll put that there. This 680. $82.50. That's exactly what it was. It was $82.50. $82.50. And that was the highs of here from Friday. And those highs were made in pre-market. Clearly, we've gone through those levels. Decision time. So what's that? At 74. We got the 200 sitting at 74. Will Friday's pre-market highs act as a support? I'm trying to bet against it. May not be the wisest decision. So it's 82.50. 82.50. These are the highs from Friday. See, we've come down here. We found buyers. I'm looking for the market to get down to 71.75. I might let my bias get too much in the way here. We keep coming down to this level. We keep seeing buyers. Low was 79.50. We've got an alert set at 74.25, which is this 200 period. It should be actually higher, actually. Am I too feels like I'm too invested here. Prices are struggling to break down. Gone into a consolidation. Around Friday's highs. What am I missing here? What am I missing?
Target filled.
Okay. There we go. So we're about break even on the day. So we're targeting this area. So as we got the view up down at 43s. Second. I need to get back on the old charts. Okay. So we've got the 200. Got this little leg here that we pulled back to before putting in. Let's just see what this was. 119 points. A lot of buying took place in this area. So can't be too surprised if we see more buying come out of this area. But then again, it's similar. I think it's a mark. Let's have a look. I'm pretty sure today is seen as like a market holiday or something. Not a complete market holiday. I think it's a holiday schedule. Let's have a look. It fucking closes. Do, 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 do. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Let's go check my emails. So, oh, this just hangs around. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. How do you crop this? There we go. So while that's hanging around, so what I was looking. Oh, where's it gone? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Where is it? Huh. It's not even on there. Oh, I need to enlarge it. Okay, that's great. There we are. So, Monday the 20th of January, saying trading halt at 12 p.m. These are all Central Time, so that's 1 p.m. Eastern Time because it's Chicago based. Okay, so it's 1 p.m. Eastern Time. Okay. Hmm. Seems gold wants to put in a higher low. Interest rates. Let's see. Comex products. Comex 130. Central. Okay. Okay, that's interesting. Bit of a failure to launch here. 670, 699. For the volatility of NQ, that is nothing really. Where are the buyers? No, I need to how do you save it as a default though? Buy. Okay, so we had 190, 119 there. We had 95 there, so just keep an eye out. Like I said, this move up was really nothing really. Oh goodness me, I'm about to get a true setup short.
Order filled.
Short. Due to the consolidation, the volatility's fallen back a little bit. Looking for 63. 63. 98.75. 98.75. So it's well into this area here. With the lack of buyers that came in.
Order filled.
Added to the position there. Again, looking for that 63. Had a bit of a weak bounce there. So, of course, they could just clear the lows and then go higher without taking me out. 98.75. So, that's what I was thinking. Like what we're seeing now. It could easily just turn around before getting to my target. Clear the lows, get into this area, and then rally back and stop me out, clearing these highs. So, that is a possibility. Oh, while I'm saying that, I've actually missed the
Target filled.
Oh wow. Actually, okay. I missed the ES trade, and as you could imagine with this large candle, that would have hit target. Would have got in there. Target would have been hit just before the VWAP. So we've run into the VWAP here on NQ as well. And that's the only thing sometimes with trading the 1 minute chart on multiple instruments. There is an opportunity cost. Ran down to the VWAP there, seeing buyers step in. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. 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 Doesn't seem that the buyers at VWAP are there at the moment. So we're coming down to 32.50. Mm. This was the this leg here resulted in 95 points for the pullback. Mm. Weren't able to close below VWAP there. Buyers stepped in a little bit. Mm. Let's just say it's a dramatic day. Let's have a look at the daily chart. Let's have a look at the daily. So back to flat on the day takes us down to 603. Currently trading at 658. Okay. 50-ish points. Lows takes us down to maybe the 530s. Let's see. Opens at 600. The lows are at 526. So we got 600, 530 essentially. Hmm. Hmm. Sort of thing I don't like to see from gold. It's going into this consolidation chop. Normally when you see this is near the market close. Volatility drops off, gets a little bit choppy. Difficult to have strong conviction in a direction. Hmm. What is that? Hmm. So couldn't close below VWAP there. Buyers have stepped in. Back above this zone. Candles are interesting. Got a close at 69, gap down to 67 on the open of the next candle. Very odd. Very odd. Oh, 37 points. While it isn't nothing. Okay. Seems the only thing that looks like it might set up is gold. But not a fan of the location at the moment. I suppose this could be considered a bit of a weak bounce here. Because we didn't rally that far. Only $6 or 63 ticks. Only 63 ticks. Broke these lows. Buyers came in. Of course, I was stopped out at 29.4. Prices didn't go much higher. Got up to 30.5. 11 ticks or so. But need to think about this. Just looking back at the daily chart on gold here. $22.7. So that's this high here. 20.4. That low there. Got this closed down here at 18. Maybe 20.4. Can't be confident with this chop. See, we made, look at these highs here. We got through those highs. At that point, I thought, well, lows, higher lows. We've got through the highs. Maybe we'll see a complete reversal, but no. Instead, it failed. It failed on the break of the highs. Hung around up there for quite some time, chopping back and forth, but ultimately failed. And it went lower. Let's see if this bounce looks like it's failing, but you never know. You just never know. Would I be confident if I was in a long through here? Probably not, considering that it's failed so quickly. This had this bearish candle, closed where it did, quite a bit into this candle. So what's that? Break of the 27.1s, 26.6. It's not a strong area. And if you bought here, are you going to defend down to 22.8s? Need some consistency from gold. I need to see gold break below this area, stay in this area here for a while, counter trend pullback, slight counter trend pullback, and then to look for a move to the downside. Seeing buyers step in here. So off that VWAP, pulled back down, broke the 200, pulled back, tested it there. Seeing buyers again. Are they going to attack the 700s here? Would appear that way, wouldn't it? It's interesting that pullback came out around Friday's highs, pre-market highs, around the 82.50s. Ran through there up to 86s, pulled back, found support, rally. Okay. Not a dramatic break at the lows there. Grinding. There we go. We've seen a bit of a pickup there. Price just got through that 26.5. Okay, so it's 11. It's 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Again, retested at 200 there. So we need to clear what, 92? Clear this 92 for the run towards 700. Comfortable off there. May not even stop at 15s. So we just cleared the 92s there. There we go. Looking at what, 29? So we want this area between 29 and 39. So seeing that breakout there. Fairly strong close near the highs. So really starting to see that move off the VWAP. Sustain itself higher. Thing is, there isn't a setup here for me. So the closest instrument to setting up is gold. And with gold, I'll be moving this around. Maybe say 20.4 or something. I'm gonna have to bring this over a little. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. It's gonna be the same scenario over here. Run into the VWAP. Buy side. Let's see. Buying momentum. Da da da. Is gold gonna disappoint me now? The There is a possibility. There is a possibility that gold could disappoint me, so certainly if it carries on higher. It's pulled back enough. So on this candle had quite a lot of volume. I suppose as you'd expect on a break. High volume. Not seeing a continuation at the moment. May see another pullback. What are we doing here on? So we're heading towards the inauguration of the 47th Prez. Currently up 110 points on NQ. 2675 on ES. Currently down 21.7 on gold. Not sure if gold is going to give me what I'm looking for here. I'm thinking of calling it a day. I'll give you a couple more minutes. Seems I am going to get the setup on gold. Volatility's fallen back a fair bit. I'm going to have to be careful about the entry here. Okay.
Order bell.
So I'm short. $27.7. Because volatility's fallen back so much, the target and the stop are going to be pretty tight. $24.1. 24.1. Oh my. It's actually in line with the actual lows. So we'll see. Let's think about this. 1.7. 1.7. Is that? Okay. So it depends where the ad is, whether is there a possibility of losing? No, doesn't appear to be. Doesn't appear to be a possibility at the moment to have a losing day from where we are. We may give back some profit, but not a losing day. Okay. Let's see if we can get this ad in. Oh, no. 4 contracts left. So we got 21 contracts out on that move down to 24.1. Okay. Prices have come back, triggered that re-entry order. 24.1. $27.7. Who knows? This could rally from here. As we can see, the average has been brought down by a fair bit. So I'm risking 15, potentially. So let's think about this. 15. That means I'll be left with about 7 on the day. Well, we'll have to accept it. Price got all the way down to 24. Tonight, price got all the way down to 24, and I still had 4 contracts on. It's very odd. Hold on, so where's the... Oh. Very odd. Unsure why that didn't just take out the... Oh, come on. Well. Took out the lows. Are you going to be able to survive this rally? Well, rules are rules, right? If you don't have rules, what do you have? unadulterated chaos. So I knew the risk when I took it on, so I'll just have to accept the risk. If it comes back, takes me out, and I lose 15, I'm only up 7 on the day, then it's just one of those things. Did recognize that the target was beyond this low here, even though it wasn't a strong rally. It is an area that buyers have been interested in. This area between 25 and 23 essentially. So we'll see. We will see. Hoping that this large bullish candle was a bit of a sucker candle to get some people in to think, oh, it's going to reverse. I'm going to trade it like a bit of a range trade to go the other way. And instead, it fails. That's what I place my hope in at the moment. But again, buyers could come back in at any point. Buyers could step in, stop us out. The fact that we've found some support there around 24.7. Just minor. Want to see that broken. There we go. So we've got this weak low there, this low there. Okay, I would like a close below that 24.6. Where this candle open. I suppose it wouldn't even give me confidence because anything can still happen. At any moment, this could turn around. But we'll see.
Target build.
There we go. So, our target was hit there. We are up 24,620 on the day. Currently, the breakdown of P&L 30,202 on NQ. Currently down 5,582 on gold. There was the opportunity to take ES trades today, but I was a little bit too slow to the market. And there was this trade through here. A little bit too slow, would have worked out. But I'm going to call it a day here with the inauguration beginning in about, what was that, 2:12, was that 42 minutes? About 42 minutes till the inauguration starts. Market closing early today as well. At about 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time according to the CME. So let's just look over the trades. Over on the trade performance. It seems I start all a theme of my trading appears to be to start the day in the hole for whatever reason. So we're down 11, managed to build ourselves back. Pretty smooth equity curve as we've gone on a run of winning trades. Gonna end the day, a shortened day here, but 24,620. Over on the summary page, picked up 36,256 gross, minus 11 on the losses. Profit factor is above 2, so I'm pretty happy with that, 3.12. Accuracy, that's a product of how the trades are executed because I add to the winning trades. It's going to mean that the accuracy is higher, but the average winner is going to be smaller than the average loser. So as expected, the average winning trade is smaller than the average losing trades. And it's a product of how I trade, 0.24. Largest win, smaller than our largest loss by quite a significant margin. Don't like to see that. Time in the market, about 5 minutes. I'm quite happy with that. Doesn't cause too much anxiety. And with that said, that pretty much just wraps up the video. So I'll do a recap later on. But thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day.